Hello, how are you? I want to be using the BPerfect Cosmetic Carnival 3 Low Tahiti. The packaging is so pretty. This is by Stacey Murray, makeup artist. It's such a beautiful palette. In love with the packaging, in love with the huge mirror too. And it's very colorful. Today I've been very excited like playing with colorful palettes. And this is my second palette of the day. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to should we use a primer? I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer because I don't feel like applying primer right now. So I'm just going to apply more concealer on top of the concealer I already have. And the concealer I'm using is Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Ginger. Whatever leftover is here, it's almost done and I'm so happy about it. I want to try other concealers that I do have in my makeup collection. And I just can't because I've been sitting with this concealer all this time, you know. So I want to fold this palette like this. And I don't know if I should go purple, blue, or a mix of everything. I mean, I can go a mix of everything, but I kind of prefer I don't know, purple. I didn't have a look using purple in a while. And usually purple are like one of those type of shadows that are very hard to make. So yeah, let's try purples. I'm going to be using the shadow Tahiti in the palette, which is this purple over here. So far you can see that the color Tahiti is such a beautiful, like light purple color. Very, very pretty. Okay, I'm going to be using the color Twilight on the palette, which I already did my finger in that color before. I'm just going to apply like over here, my outer V. That is so gorgeous. I am very impressed. That shadow is a little bit powdery, or maybe very powdery. Like, I'm not kidding, I don't know if you can see in the pan. I don't know if you can see in the pan right there. There's a lot of kickback. But it blends so nice, so nice. Taking more of that purple Tahiti, and I'm just gonna blend the edge. It blends so well these shadows. I am super impressed. Blend very easy. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take the color, which one? I'm going to take, on my eyelid, I'm going to be using the color Starlight. That is like a beautiful shimmer, like a purple shimmer with silver. It's kind of duochrome style. I'm going to use that color. Ooh, skip back. Okay, it's kind of metallic, so I have to be careful. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Like, such a gorgeous color Starlight. It's duochrome. It has this like silver blue reflect with purple. It's a mix of everything. I'm gonna show you right there on the palette. Now you can see how pretty that is. For my brown bone, I'm gonna use the color Pear in the palette, which is this shade over here. I'm gonna take like an angle brush. I'm just gonna go over here like this and blend at the same time. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using the color Blackberry. It's a very, very, very like deep purple shade, this one right here. Okay, and the last shadow I'm gonna be using in the palette is Rose Pink, which also is like a metallic shimmer shade. Okay, so I do have some fall off on my face. I'm gonna apply a little bit more concealer. I'm gonna take my spoolie, I'm gonna brush my brows a little bit. And the eyeliner I'm gonna be using is this one by NYX. This one is Epic Ink Liner. I love this pen liner, it's awesome. I'm going to apply my Eyelash Blowout by Cosmetics. Qué contenta me quedo cantando más tiempo, pero aquí a dormir. Okay, so I'm back. I did apply my mascara. I'm using the Eyelash Blowout by Cosmetics. I love this mascara so much. It has this like wet formula that makes your lashes longer, and it's like it doesn't feel so dry like the one from Tarte. I love the one from Tarte. It's one of my favorites. You just always feel like too dry, like almost like the mascara is completely dry out, but it's not. It's just the formula. Anyway, I apply my false lashes. These one are by Lily Lashes, and the name is Hollywood, and I love them. I'm still waiting for my lashes to dry completely. So I'm gonna be using my favorite Casino bronzer, powder bronzer by NARS. I love this stuff so much, so I'm just gonna use, I already have a little bit, but I'm gonna use more on my nose, around here. On my forehead, at least one side of my forehead, because the other side I have my bangs. My neck. I'll be using the heck of this product, and this is Orgasm by NARS. I love this blush, it's so beautiful. It has like this gold shimmer, like fine shimmer, it's so pretty. So I'm using this. It looks so juicy on the cheeks. Oh, I love it. And at the same time, it looks like a highlighter, so that's kind of great. That's amazing. That's super amazing. Like, great. I'm sweating a little bit. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be using my NARS, what is that? NARS Albatros highlighter. I love this stuff so much. Oh, you have no idea, it's so pretty. It has a gold sheen. Oh, so gorgeous. This makeup came out very pretty. Like stunning in my opinion. I had this Tarte lip gloss, and this one called Man Eater, and I had to be honest, this is a plumping gloss. That means that it had this effect that when you apply, your lips start like almost like you ate pepper or something, and start like burning on fire. So then you feel like your lips are like I don't know if that makes sense. Like it gives you that feeling, that tingling feeling that you have bigger lips, like kind of make your lips swollen. And I love the color, I just don't love that effect because I do have big lips. I do not need this to make my lips bigger because I do have a big lip, bigger lips. So I use that, and I'm gonna use on top this beautiful lip gloss by Hourglass, and this is the name is Unreal Impact, and it's so pretty and it smells amazing. I'm just gonna wear this on the top. kind of like that. It has this high shine effect on the lips. Gorgeous, I love it. I have to be honest, I use this palette many times, never in camera. I love it. I always come here to play with makeup, especially with palettes like this, because I love colorful shadows. I do love neutrals, but I love colorful shadows. And I love the way the look came out. I love the shadows. I didn't try the purple shadows until today. Until tonight. And I love it. It's gorgeous. So, yeah. Sorry. The lipstick I will change. I will use like a nudie lipstick. And the shadows like this, very colorful. Or I will wear like with red lipstick. It will be very vibrant, and very crazy. But I feel like it's so pretty. With the gloss also looks nice. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me your beautiful comment, and see you in the next video, okay? Mwah. Bye.